Chrome Password Manager, how to install NordPass on supported browsers. Installing NordPass on your browser is simple. Here's how you can do it. Steps to install NordPass on supported browsers. 1. Visit the NordPass website, open your browser and go to the NordPass download page, https://nordpass.com/download/chrome. 2. Choose your browser. NordPass supports Chrome, Chromium-based browsers, Opera, Vivaldi, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. 3. Download the extension, click on the appropriate link for your browser, Chrome and Chromium-based browsers, install from the Chrome Web Store, https://chromewebstore.google.com/details/nordpass%sign c2%sign ae-password-manage/e-iab-lijfc-manage/e-ib-lijfc. Firefox, get it from the Firefox add-ons page, https://support.nordpass.com/hc/n-a/article/360000. 6638797 using NordPass on desktop. Safari, download from the App Store. 4. Log into NordPass. After installation, open the extension and log in using your Nord account. 5. Start using NordPass. You can now auto-save, autofill, and manage passwords directly from your browser.